Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Farhana binti Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. Today I'm going to show you how to install Scene Builder. So don't further delay, let's go to the video. So first we have to search Scene Builder download. So here you have to click. It takes some time. So just click on here. This is a very easy process. Okay, so this is basically a drag and drop rapid application development. Okay, so now we can see this is the update version 21. Okay, so our operating system is Windows, so we have to install this. Click download, and here you can see many options, but you don't need to do any kind of things here because it already started. Okay, I will be back after some minutes, please wait. Okay, so guys, installation process is already done, so we have to go to the path. So here the download option, we can find it. Microsoft Defend Smart Screen Prevent and Unapp from more Scene Builder FXML locals run anyway. Okay, so here next, and we have to accept it. You can read it carefully. The next button, and this is the path where NetBeans is installed, and now click next button, then install. So the installation process is running. Okay, so we have to wait a few minutes. So this is finish. So let me check. Here we can see our scene builder is installed. So check. So we can now do any kind of things, but before that we have to do another things. But I want to show you this video then for the next upcoming video. So I want to stop this right now. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.